I built 3 AI automation clients in 14 days using Claude Projects 2 weeks ago. I had 0 automation clients. Today, I'm showing you the exact screen recordings of 3 client onboarding calls, the invoice showing $4.200 in payments, and the specific Claude Project setup I used to deliver automation workflows without writing a single line of code. This isn't a course pitch. I'm walking through the actual system. By the end of this video, you'll know how to structure a discovery call using AI-generated questions, the exact cold email sequence that got me 3 yes responses from 47 emails, and how to use Claude Projects to build automation proposals that clients actually understand. Fair warning, this took me about 4-5 hours per client to set up, and one person pushed back hard on pricing. I'll show you that conversation too. This isn't passive income, but it is a legitimate way to charge $1.400 for work that takes you an afternoon. Step 1. The client avatar. I didn't target small businesses or entrepreneurs. Way too broad. I targeted real estate agents who manually follow up with leads from Zillow. That's it. One specific pain point. Here's why this matters. When you niche down to a single workflow, your outreach becomes 10 times easier. My cold email literally started with, "I noticed you're getting Zillow leads. Are you following up with every single one manually?" The 3 verticals that worked for me: real estate agents with Zillow leads, recruiting agencies managing candidate pipelines, and e-commerce stores doing manual order confirmations. All of these have the same thing in common: repetitive tasks that happen dozens of times per week. Step 2. The cold email sequence. I sent 47 emails over 14 days. Got 8 responses. Booked 5 calls. Closed 3. Here's the exact sequence. Email 1 * subject, quick question about your Zillow leads. Body, hi. I was looking at real estate agents in and noticed you're active on Zillow. Quick question, are you manually following up with every lead, or do you have an automation system? I built a simple workflow that texts and emails new leads within 2 minutes of them coming in. Takes about 90 minutes to set up. Worth a 15-minute call to see if it fits? No pitch. No hype. Just a question and a specific outcome. Email 2 * hi, following up on my email from Monday. If you're handling Zillow leads manually, I can show you the automation setup I built for. Takes about 15 minutes to walk through. Let me know if you want the Calendly link. Email 3 * last email. Figured you either have this handled or it's not a priority right now. If it's the latter and you want to see the workflow, here's my calendar. Either way, good luck with the listings. 3 emails. That's it. The people who responded did so because the problem was real and I was specific about the solution. Step 3. The discovery call structure. This is where Claude Projects became essential. Before each call, I created a new project in Claude and gave it this exact custom instruction: you are an automation consultant. I'm about to have a discovery call with a professional. Based on their business type, generate 12 specific questions I should ask to understand their current workflow, pain points, time spent on repetitive tasks, and ideal automation outcomes. Format as a checklist. I'd paste that into a new Claude project, add the industry details, and within 30 seconds I had a structured interview guide. Here's what that looked like for my first client, a real estate agent named Jennifer. How many Zillow leads do you get per week? What's your current process when a new lead comes in? How long does it typically take you to respond? What percentage of leads do you think you miss or respond to late? What information do you collect from each lead? Where do you store lead information? Do you send the same initial message to every lead, or customize it? What does a successful follow-up sequence look like for you? During the call, I just went through the list. Took notes in a Google Doc. The client did most of the talking. By the end, I had everything I needed to build the proposal. Step 4. Building the automation blueprint. After the call, I went back to the same Claude project and added my notes as a new message. Based on this discovery call, create a detailed automation workflow blueprint. Include trigger event, data points to collect, automation steps, tools needed, and expected time savings. Format as a client-facing proposal. Claude gave me a structured workflow document that looked like this. Automation blueprint for Jennifer. Trigger * new lead submits form on Zillow. Data captured * name, email, phone, property interest, budget range. Automation sequence *1. Instant SMS.